Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to introduce two big members of our APO series, the 140 APO and the 185 APO. The 140 APO is an OTA with an aperture of 140 mm, a focal length of 980 mm, and a focal ratio of 7. The 185 APO is an OTA with an aperture of 185 mm, a focal length of 1295 mm, and a focal ratio of 7 also. Both of them adopt triplet air-spaced APO lens design, including one piece of ED glass. The Ascar APO series employs special optical designs and multiple lens elements to correct chromatic aberration, naturally providing higher quality object details and color accuracy. As large aperture long focal ratio telescopes, the Ascar 140 APO and the 185 APO are designed with portability in mind. We make some integrated retractable designs. The shortest overall length of 140 APO is only 735 mm, and the gross weight is 10.9 kg. And the 185 APO has the shortest overall length of only 1,081 mm, and the gross weight is 17.2 kg. Both of them have a retractable design of the dual shield along with enlarged locking screws, which provide convenient usage. The Ascar 140 APO has a handle of 220 mm, and the 185 APO has an extended 400 mm handlebar. They both have a special slot design which makes it easy to connect other accessories. There is an overall lightweight design for the tube ring. The thumb screws enable easy opening and locking of the tube rings. Meanwhile, the base of the tube rings is heightened, providing more space. The dovetail plates are standard Losmandy style, which is compatible with most equatorial mounts and bases on the market. The plate of the 140 APO is 300 mm and the 185 APO is 400 mm. We extended the length and added screw holes, making it easier to balance on the mounts. With slotted handle, the spacing between the tube rings can be adjusted as wanted. It is worth mentioning that the rear length tube of the Ascar 140 APO and the 185 APO have an integrated retractable design. We strengthen the overall stability and ensure that the optical axis will not be affected when the lens tube is stretched, thus guaranteeing the quality of the image. The retractable part also features a rudder-type locking ring that makes it easy to loosen or tighten. When the lens tube is contracted, they can be used with a binocular for visual observation. When the lens tube is stretched, they can be equipped with a specific reducer or flattener for imaging, or diagonal and eyepiece for observing. In terms of the focuser, they are equipped with a dual-speed rack and pinion large 3.5-inch rigid focuser, which can be compatible with most motorized focuser on the market. There is a high precision scale on the 10 cm focusing travel. It is worth mentioning that the 140 APO comes with an Oxford closed case, and the 185 APO has an aluminum box with handles and wheels. There are spaces specially designed for EAF, which would be quite convenient. There are two finder bases on the both sides of the focuser, which not only eliminate the need for disassembling when changing the position of the finder scope, but also provides additional mounting positions for other astronomical accessories. The rear of the focuser features 360-degree high-precision big rotator, along with precise scales for convenient adjustment and saving of rotation angles, enabling precise rotation. It is also equipped with an enlarged rotator locking screw that can be easily secured even under high loads. The telescope interface at the rear comes with a 1.25-inch and 2-inch adapter. Ascar 140 APO and 185 APO both have optional accessories. The Ascar 140 APO has a 1 multiple flattener and a 0.8 multiple reducer, and the 185 APO also has a 0.8 multiple reducer and a 1 multiple flattener. The accessories comes with built-in 2-inch filter thread for direct filter mounting. The one multiple flattener do not change the telescope's focal ratio itself. After connecting to their specific flatteners, the telescopes still maintain a focal ratio of 7. The flatteners correct field curvature and coma, resulting in flatter field edges and finer star points. The 0.8 multiple reducers can bring the focal ratio of these two astrographs down to 5.6. They come with field flattening capabilities as well. A shorter focal ratio allows OTA to have a wider field of view and faster exposure times, making it suitable for capturing larger areas of nebula, star clusters, and faint, fast-moving celestial objects. Above is the introduction of the Ascar 140 APO and 185 APO. If you want to learn more about the details, please click the link below. See you next time!